For 2023, the MV Agusta lineup continues to push boundaries, crafting beautiful motorcycles that are mechanical masterpieces. The Brutale 1000 rupees is a slightly more road-friendly version than its siblings in the MV Agusta family, while it retains the aggressive DNA of the higher-spec bikes to provide more accessible on-road performance for everyday riders. At the heart of this beast lies a 998cc DOHC liquid-cooled inline-4 engine with a staggering 208 horsepower. The powertrain is a product of superior craftsmanship and material selection, including the use of titanium for the connecting rods and both intake and exhaust valves. The engine also benefits from diamond-like coating, DLC, on valve tappets, minimizing friction and promoting engine longevity. The Brutale 1000 rupees is equipped with an MVICS control system with 8 injectors, ensuring seamless integration of ignition and fuel injection. The engine control unit and throttle body are full ride-by-wire, which ensures precision control and robust performance. For the rider looking to customize, the motorcycle offers various torque control maps and traction control levels. Speaking of the chassis, the Brutale 1000 rupees uses a CRMO steel tubular trellis frame, offering a perfect balance between rigidity and weight. The suspension setup, featuring Marzocchi upside-down forks up front and a Sachs shock at the rear, provides smooth and responsive handling, while the Brembo Stylema calipers and ABS system ensures excellent stopping power and stability. Keeping you informed of the many systems is easy using the 5.5 color TFT display, Bluetooth GPS, and MV Ride app for navigation mirroring, along with rider aid setup and launch control. All this performance comes in a package weighing just 410 pounds dry, with an aggressive look rivaling other Italian manufacturers and further enhancing its agility and responsiveness. The 2023 megavolts Agusta Brutale 1000 rupees starts at $29,998 United States dollars per $32,348 CAD.